Okay guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to add a save wallet on your OPay. You want to save money, how to save money secretly on your OPay. So let's get diving. Open your OPay account. Okay, now so this is my OPay account. Alright, so let's get started. Now what you're going to do is you go to your finance, and this is it, all wallets. You can see this all wallet here. Sorry, let me show my tab. This is your all wallet here. You can see this is it. You can just tap on it. Okay, this is it, spread and save. So once you tap on it, you just have to customize it here. Don't worry, just customize it here. So once you enable this, your spend and save, once you enable it, you'll be able to put in the actual amount you want to be saving. Is it daily, is it weekly, is it monthly, and which you will be able to withdraw it anytime, any day you want. So it is safe to have a saving money. So you use it to save your money unknowingly. So it is automatically removed from your account once you enable the spend and save. So immediately you spend money, a little money, a percentage will be stored in your save and spend. So and immediately you want to have access to it, you can just click on it, then you'll be able to withdraw everything back. So it's very simple. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button and subscribe. Thank you guys.